Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is my first cooking video. Your support and love means a lot to me. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe to my channel and support me. I will keep working to bring you more great videos in the future. Today, I will show you how to make simple and tasty drumstick leaf curry. I am using the leaves of the drumstick tree that I grew in my garden for this curry. Let's cut the tomatoes and green chilies needed for the curry into small pieces. Now take a medium sized pan, heat it, and add 3 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, curry leaves, and garlic. Fry them well. When they are nicely fried, add the chopped tomatoes and green chilies and cook until they become soft. Once the tomatoes soften, add the washed drumstick leaves. Season with salt, 1 tablespoon of chili powder, and pour in a cup of water. Cover the pan and let it simmer until the leaves are fully cooked. Now, the simple, tasty and healthy drumstick leaf curry is ready.